So hi Kalaminians, and today mag-lunch na sa mga Kalaminians, and ato ni check out ang newest branch atong favorite all you can eat na manok, ang Boss Manok, guys. So Boss Manok. So they just opened a new branch here diri sa Mango Avenue. So mag-unli chicken wings tarong adlaw, and atong susihon unsa kalami ang pagkaon diri sa Boss Manok. So today let's eat at Boss Manok, Mango Avenue. Boss Manok, guys. That's why only wings plus rice at 239 pesos. And different flavors: country gravy, lemon pepper, cheddar cheese, barbecue, Korean, spicy Korean, sriracha butter, classic buffalo. O kung mag-add kag 40 only drinks, o add 60 kung only fries at ka. Sa mga anta, 239 lang, plus 40 kung only drinks, plus 60 kung appeal bagay only fries. Tinod? Kung unlit. Alright guys, na itong mga chicken, and it comes in 8 flavors with awa ni. Guys, it's time to eat. Of course, before you come, wash your hands. also na dip lang. So may manok, may fried. Yeah. You dip it on your favorite sauce. Pwede sa diri sa Boss Manok. So ako na i-dip ko sa anong yapan. Lang isa diya na i-dip lang ni mo, i-apon mo sauce, ikaw rin bahala. So you can have different sauces, right? And different bites. Burp lang ako. So guys, manamig paniod to. There is a Boss Manok, there is a Mango Avenue, and of course, lingaw gid kay mong kaon. I mean, enjoy kami sa different flavors. Nag-enjoy sa mi na i-dip na lang ni mong manok. You'll have different sauces serve sa imo with their fried chicken na may pagkahimo na yun. Pwede sa nakatimpla na daan. So all in all, it was really an amazing lunch. Nandingaw ko sa akong first time ever makaon rin sa Boss Manok. And yeah, no wonder daghan kay ganahan rin makaon kasi lamigid lang manok dayon. Sulit sad kay ang presyo. Labi na kung kusog ka makaon og pako. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and you know, I hope you visit mga restaurants sa nato, na local restaurants sa nato once again. Start supporting them because you know, daghan gid kinis nag-i-employ ng mga tao, mga suppliers na natabangan. So it's really fun. It really makes the economy go, you know, murag bubangon na sagbalik. So tinabangay lang gid, guys, and see you na sad sa sunod na mga adventures. And let me know if you want me to feature some of your favorite eateries. Let me know where should I eat next. And thank you so much once again for your support, and see you na sad sa sunod na mga food adventures. Bye bye bye.